Okay, hello gentlemen, I've given you some purpose clauses to think about doing some Latin in English. Let's take a look at them. Here you go, pause this, take a look, go through it. First sentence, Hannibal left his fatherland in order to attack Rome. I'm not going to go through in these little lessons exactly how to do it because we've covered that in class. This is really just going over, recapping the work that you have already done. So, let's make Hannibal our subject. Excuse me. Hannibal discesit e patria. Hannibal left from his fatherland, e patria, appetit there. Hannibal left from his fatherland, ut, this is the important thing, ut oppugnaret, in order to attack Rome. So look at that ending. You need to think, first of all, right, is it going to be for this purpose clause a present or an imperfect subjunctive? Well, that depends if the initial verb, the discesit, is going to be primary or secondary sequence. Now it's perfect, so that means it's secondary, perfect without have, therefore it's going to be the imperfect oppugnaret. One is going to be, envoys came to Caesar in order to announce that many troops had been lost. Legati ad Caesarem venerunt. So again, look at this tense of venerunt. They came, ut in order, same thing again. Venerunt is going to be the perfect tense, which means that the subjunctive, as its perfect tense secondary sequence, is going to be the imperfect. Arem, ares, aret, aremus, aretis, arent. In order, nuntiar rent, in order to announce. Now this is a good sentence, this. Many troops, deleo, it's actually not delendas s, I'm sorry, it should be deletas esse, in order to announce that many troops had deletas esse. It's actually an indirect statement, isn't it? Because they announced, verb of saying or thinking, followed by accusative, multas copias, and it should then be deletas esse, in order to announce that many troops had been lost. This actually would be, you've got here a gerundive, which would actually mean, if this were right, in order to announce that many troops needed to be lost. This next bit, the cavalry are setting out in order to capture the position equites, progrediuntur, that, look at all these mistakes, many apologies for this bit, progrediuntur with a T. The cavalry are setting out, notice this, are setting out, so we have a present tense, ut, and because it's present, that means it's going to be primary sequence, which means it's going to be the present subjunctive, ut capiant, in order that they may capture, in order to capture the position. Remember that this is a purpose clause, ut plus the subjunctive. Cicero had closed the Senate House. He didn't actually do this in order that no one, excuse me, should be attacked. So this bit, Cicero, make that our subject, nominative, Cicero, clauserat, had closed the Senate House. Ne, negative, that's why I did this one, lest quis anyone oppugnaretur might be attacked. So clauserat, pluperfect, secondary sequence, therefore this needs to be imperfect subjunctive. So he had closed the Senate House lest anyone be attacked. There you go, 4 Latin purpose clauses. Well done everyone.